Hi there, today we're going to be looking at direct proportion. First, we'll take a look at what is direct proportion. Direct proportion is a relationship between two variables such that as one variable increases, the other increases at the same rate. The symbol here represents is proportional to. For example, the total cost of pizza is proportional to the number of people at the party. Let's take a look at the graph on the right-hand side. We've got the number of people on the x-axis. It's going to be our independent variable. As the independent variable increases, so does the y-axis variable, which is the cost of pizza. Let's take a look at this example. The cost of washing 5 kilograms of clothes is $24. What is the cost of washing 1 kilogram of clothes? We know that the cost of washing as well as the amount of clothing is going to be directly proportional. So we're going to take the $24 and we're going to be dividing this by 5. So we're left with $4.80 as the cost of 1 kilogram of clothing. For B, 20 kilograms of clothes, we're going to take our $4.80 that we found for 1 kilogram of clothing and we're going to multiply that by 20. So the cost of 20 kilograms of clothes is going to be $96. And finally, for 30.5 kilograms of clothes, we're going to take the $4.80 and multiply it by 30.5 kilograms, and we're going to have $146.40. Here's our next example. You work a 4-hour shift at a shop and got paid for $84. How much do you get for working 1 hour? I'm going to take $84 and divide it by 4 hours to get 1 hour. So you're going to be paid $21 per hour. For B, 30 hours. Take your $21 that you get each hour and multiply it by 30 hours. You've got $651 after 30 hours. Here, the amount you work as well as the pay that you get are directly proportional. Here's our final example. 10 miles is approximately equivalent to 16 kilometers. Complete the table below. So in our table, we've got miles as well as kilometers. 10 miles we're going to have is equal to 16 kilometers. What we want to do is find what 1 mile may be. To find what 1 mile is, we're going to divide by 10. If we do it to the left-hand side, let's do it to the right-hand side as well, so that we're not changing our equation. 16 kilometers divided by 10 will give us 1.6 kilometers. Fantastic, so we've found a conversion between miles and kilometers. To get from miles to kilometers, we need to multiply by 1.6. So in our table, we're going to be multiplying by 1.6 to get from miles to kilometers. If we want to go backwards, then we'll have to divide by 1.6. Let's fill in our table. 2 miles multiplied by 1.6 will give us 3.2 kilometers. 10 and 16 have been done for us already. 40 multiplied by 1.6 will give us 64. And lastly, 100 kilometers divided by 1.6 will give us 62.5 miles. What we have used to solve this problem is called the unitary method. Essentially, the unitary method involves finding out what 1 unit equals to and then multiplying out to find out how many units you need.